Hello guys and welcome to another video. This video will be about Big Cartel. Big Cartel is an e-commerce platform that allows independent artists and small businesses to create and manage their online stores. It's a user-friendly platform that's easy to navigate and does not require any coding knowledge to set up. Let's head to the website bigcartel.com. And let's sign up. So those are the pricing for plans. We have the gold, futures, platinum, and the diamond. 5 products, 15 products, and 500 products. Here we have no credit card needed, no listing fees, no listing fees. And of course, we are choosing the free plan. And what about the diamond? Not for us. So here we have Big Cartel. Start your free store with up to 5 products and limited features. Upgrade anytime. We have the email address, which is I'm waiting for Google to fill it by itself, and it can't put the password. He gave me an announced password directly. Here we have the shop name. madagabigcartel.com. This is good. This is awesome. So next we have to verify our account. I think I didn't see the next step. So let's switch to see what is this. What's the solution here? Verify contact. Let's verify your email address. So I was smart. So here we are waiting for Google Workspace or Gmail to open up. Okay, I'm cutting the video. So this is the email we had from Big Cartel. So let's verify the email address and closing the previous window. So one of the main benefits of Big Cartel is its affordability. It offers free plan that allows you to list up to 5 products, and its paid plans are reasonably priced, making it an excellent choice for small business that are just starting out. However, Big Cartel does have some limitations. It does not offer as many features as some of its competitors, and its customization options are somehow limited. So, additionally, its customer support is only available through email, which can be frustrating if you need immediately assistance. And I think no. Verify your location and currency, not now. Add products, not now. Explore shipping profiles, not now. Connect payment processor. Okay, this is good. Here to choose PayPal or Stripe or both for payments. Design your shop and launch your shop. So here's the dashboard, orders, product, the discount, and the account. Here we have the account settings. You can add shop description like a bio. Your email address is verified, and now you are a premium. No, I just kidding. But it looks like Instagram verified profile and better. So we have our shop here, and the location and currency. I didn't remember that I put this here. So how to get paid, set up payment method, We have taxes, we have the billing, and shipping profile data, preferences, security, and active device and apps. Those are all the settings. So if you are looking for simple and affordable e-commerce solution that is great towards small business and artists, Big Cartel may be a good choice for you. However, if you require more advanced feature or higher level of customization, you may need to consider other platforms. So for simple, so let's see the design of shops we have here. That's simple. This is the design. I thought of somewhere like temp and designed. You can launch your shop from here. After adding products, of course, you can share an empty shop. So here we are here. What is maintenance mode? Launch your shop. Once you take care of the shop out of maintenance mode, you will be visible to the world. You can preview the website, preview your shop, or jump back into it. So I think we skipped something. Wait. Don't launch. So I'm not viewing something here down. Where? It's in here. So let's refresh the page. I think something went wrong. Okay, I regret doing. So here you're probably noticing a pattern here. There are tons of features and settings on your account page that can help you run your shop. Be sure to explore other sections below, and remember you can always reach out if you need help through your shop at admin. Next, we have here the design of your shop, and down where to, where to now? Here, still in the design, you can choose a theme and edit your colors, fonts, images, and logos, products, layout, and more to get really the look of your shop dialed in. Let's go. Okay, thanks, Lucy. As said, thank you. Goodbye. Bye. Bye. Okay, I think it's my PC's fault, not Lucy's fault. So here to design your website, to design your shop info, and by enabling this, your shop will be off job. Turning it off will be launched. And that's it. You can add up to 5 products and start selling them on your website. Your website will be something dot again bigcartel.com, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.